In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. Freezing is a simple way to keep important headers or labels visible while you scroll through large sets of data. This makes navigating your spreadsheet faster and reduces errors, especially when you're working with long lists or wide tables. Start by opening your Google Sheet and deciding what you want to keep in view. If it's a header row at the top, look to the far left of the sheet and click the row number to highlight it. If it's a category or ID column on the left, click the column letter at the top to select that column. Selecting the row number or column letter is useful because it helps you use the up to current options in a precise way. Remember, row numbers run down the left side and column letters run across the top. Next, go to the top menu and click View. This is where Google Sheets groups options that change how your sheet is displayed, and it's where the freeze controls live. From the View menu, choose Freeze. You'll see a few choices for both rows and columns. For rows, pick one row if you only need the very first row, which is perfect for a standard header. Choose two rows if your sheet has a main header and a subheader you want to keep visible together. If your headers span more rows, or if you've selected a specific row deeper in the sheet, choose Up to Current Row to freeze everything from the top down to the row you clicked. That gives you flexibility for custom setups. You can repeat the same idea for columns. Select one column to freeze the first column, which is ideal for names, IDs, or labels that you want to reference as you scroll to the right. If you've clicked on a specific column because your key labels sit farther in, choose Up to Current Column to freeze everything from the left edge up to the column you selected. This keeps your most important reference columns in view. Once you've set your preferences, scroll around your sheet to confirm it worked. You'll notice a subtle divider line where the frozen area ends, and as you scroll, the frozen rows and columns stay in place while the rest of your data moves. You can combine frozen rows and columns at the same time, which is helpful when you want both top headers and left side labels visible. That's it. With a few clicks, your sheet becomes much easier to read and navigate.